So today in the topic quadrilaterals, construction and types, we'll see practice set 8.1. Question 2. The question is construct quadrilateral DEFG such that length of DE 4.5 cm, length of EF 6.5 cm, length of DG 5.5 cm, length of DF 7.2 cm and length of EG 7.8 centimeter. So for this information we'll draw the rough figure. Okay, first step is to draw the rough figure. So this is the one quadrilateral we have drawn. We'll name it as quadrilateral D, E, F and G. Okay, and write down the measurements. So you can see from here length of DE 4.5. This is given 4.5 centimeter. EF 6.5 centimeter. DG 5.5. This is 5.5 centimeter. DF 7.2. Now you can see DF means D to F diagonal is given. So you can draw this. Okay, this is given 7.2 centimeter and length of EG 7.8 centimeter. Well, EG means the second diagonal is also given. This is given 7.8 centimeter. So you can see in the rough figure, here we are given 1, 2, 3. 3 sides are given and 2 diagonals are given. So we have to construct a quadrilateral where 3 sides are given and 2 diagonals are given. So let us see how we go about this. We can check triangle DEF. Okay, you can see triangle DEF where all 3 sides are given. DE 4.5, EF 6.5 and DF 7.2. The first step, we will construct triangle DEF, right? Let's go for that. Start with the actual construction. So first we'll draw the base EF, right? 6.5 centimeter. This is 6.5 centimeter EF. Now you can see ED 4.5 and DF 7.2. From E you will cut an arc of 4.5 centimeter. Take distance of 4.5. Okay, take distance from here. You cut an arc of 4.5 centimeter. Okay, and from F to D it is 7.2. You will take 7.2. Okay, from F 7.2 centimeter. You can see that. Okay, and this point of intersection is D. Draw sec E to D and FD. Draw sec DF, DE and DF. Okay children, so you can see that we have got triangle DEF, that is the first step, DEF. Okay, write down the measurements here. This is 4.5 centimeter and this was 7.2 centimeter. Now next step is, after triangle DEF we have to get this point G. Okay, we have to get point G. So how we get point G now? From D to G 5.5 centimeter and from E to G it is 7.8 centimeter. So from this point D we cut an arc of 5.5 somewhere here, and from E cut an arc of 7.8. Okay, let us take this distance. Second diagonal EG 7.8 we take. From E, point E, you cut an arc of 7.8. Okay, you can see that. And then from D to G 5.5. Well, this is 5.5 we have taken. From this point D you cut this arc, okay, which is 5.5. okay, so we got this point G. Now this is mark this point G and draw seg from D to G and G to F. Okay, okay, then G to F, and also we have to show the diagonal EG, right? That also you will draw it, second diagonal. Okay children, and now mark the measurements. This is 5.5 centimeter and EG, the second diagonal, was 7.8 centimeter. Okay, so we have constructed quadrilateral DEFG with the given measurements, where 1, 2, 3 sides are given and 2 diagonals are given. Okay, you can do it. 8.1, we will take up question 4. Construct quadrilateral LMNO such that length of LM equal to length of LO 6 cm, length of ON equal to length of NM 4.5 cm, and also given that length of OM 7.5 cm. Okay, for this information, first step we'll draw a rough figure. Okay, let us draw a rough figure now. Well, this is the rough figure, so you can draw it. Now let us do the measurements. Mark the L, M, N, and this is point is O, right? Quadrilateral LMNO. LM equal to LO. LM given as 6 cm and this LO is given 6 cm. Mark that. Now ON equal to NM. ON and NM is given 4.5 cm. This is also 4.5 cm, and it's given that length of OM, O to M, one diagonal is given. Okay, and this is given 7.5 cm. So see children, here we can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, all 4 sides are given and one diagonal is given. So we have to construct this quadrilateral. Okay, so let's start with that. We go for the actual construction. First step, we can see we have triangle OLM. All 3 sides are there, right? 6 cm, 6 cm and 7.5 cm. First we'll construct triangle OLM, right? OLM. Then from O, cut an arc of 4.5. From point M, cut an arc of 4.5 again to get point N. Okay, let's start. First we'll draw LM 6 cm. You can see that. Okay, this is LM 6 cm. Now you can see that L to O, LO is also 6 cm. Okay, so from this we can take this distance only 6 cm. Okay, and we cut an arc here from this L of 6 cm. Okay, this is 6 cm we have cut. Now M to O, that is 7.5. From point M you have to cut an arc of 7.5 cm. So take distance of 7.5, and from this point M cut an arc of 7.5. okay, you can see that, and you get this point is O, right? Draw O to L and O to M. This is O to L, and draw seg O to M. Okay children, so we got triangle OLM. You can write the measurements, 6 cm and this is 7.5 cm. Now to get this point N, from O to N 4.5 and from M to N also 4.5. okay, so take distance of 4.5 cm using the compass. Take distance of 4.5 cm. okay, just a minute. Now from O, see, cut an arc of 4.5. okay, and from M also cut an arc of 4.5. Can you see that? And this is point N, and draw this point O to N, and from N to M. Got it? And write the measurement, 4.5 centimeter, and this is also 4.5 centimeter. Okay children, so we have constructed quadrilateral LMNO with the required measurements. 4 sides are given and the one diagonal is given. Okay, you can do that.